In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a blog in Kartra. We'll start on your Kartra dashboard. Kartra doesn't include a traditional blogging module like WordPress. Instead, each blog post is simply a page you build using a blog-style template, and then you organize those pages into a blog section on your site. The benefit is flexibility. You control the design and layout while keeping everything inside Kartra's page builder. From the left sidebar, open Pages. Next, head into All Pages so you can see and manage everything in one place and keep your workspace tidy. To create your first post, click Page to start a new page. Give it a clear name for internal organization so it's easy to find later as your library grows. Inside the page builder, set up the structure of your article. Click Add Section. In the panel that opens, look for the Content Sections category. This area includes ready-made blocks that behave like blog elements, such as headers, feature images, article bodies, author blurbs, and more. Click Content, browse through the options, and choose the layout that best fits your post. Select it to drop it onto the canvas. Now, make your edits. Replace placeholder text with a compelling headline and your article copy. Swap in high-quality images, and adjust colors and typography to match your brand. Keep paragraphs short, use subheadings for readability, and maintain consistent spacing. If your chosen template includes a featured image or summary, fill those in so your post looks great when it's listed in your blog section. For smoother organization later, consider a naming convention like blog, topic, so posts are easy to locate in all pages, and reference categories or tags within your copy to guide readers. You can also link related posts directly inside your text for better navigation. When you're happy with the layout, double-check mobile views and add descriptive alt text to images for accessibility and search visibility. That's it. You've created a blog post as a Kartra page, ready to be grouped into your blog section.